Welcome. Thank you for watching this video presented by CostStoreFixtures. Questions should be emailed to CostStoreFixtures@outlook.com. This application uses the Microsoft Excel spreadsheet program. Microsoft and Excel are trademarks and property of Microsoft Corporation. A Microsoft Corporation license is required to use the Excel program. The instruction example covers foundation principles and demonstrates the process by calculating the cost of a pedestal fixture step by step. Each instruction example consists of a macro button and a cell comment. To read the text of the macro before clicking the button, hover over the cell to the right of the button and the text of the macro is displayed. Complete the instruction example to develop an understanding and proficiency at preparing a cost workup. The instructions example is on the instructions sheet. The instruction sheet is the window currently displayed. The example starts at row 157. To get to the example, click the fourth button labeled B.000 Example Cost Workup Pedestal. The focus of step 1 of the 3 steps is on the principles of this process and how to enter dimensions on the single project dimensions sheet. Example item 1.2.20 Detailed Dimensions. Generally, detailed dimensions cover components and parts not included in plan and front elevation drawings. The detail are more likely included in the client's section and detail drawings as well as specification tables. Several factors determine which detailed dimensions to enter. Those factors include production capabilities and company policy. The detailed dimensions are in rows 59 to 674 on the project dimension sheet. They are displayed in cells S5 to BE20 on the applicable cost workup sheets. For example, in row 18 on the pedestal door cost workup sheet are the dimensions entered in row 496 on the project dimension sheet. For example, in row 18 on the pedestal shelf cost workup sheet are the dimensions entered in row 598 on the project dimension sheet. The detailed dimensions are listed below the primary component to which they pertain or in which they are located. The example 1.2.20 is completed. Continue the instructions example by clicking item 1.2.21.